The Israeli Navy announced the deployment of missile boats in the Red Sea on Wednesday as a reinforcement measure, coming one day after the Iran-aligned Houthi movement claimed responsibility for launching missile and drone attacks on Israel and expressed their intent to continue such actions. The IDF deployed these vessels as part of increased defense efforts due to the evolving situation and potential threats in the region. They are patrolling near Eilat port in the Red Sea, which Israel considers a new front in response to retaliatory actions by Iran-aligned pro-Hamas forces from other regions. The Houthi movement has claimed responsibility for 3 drone and missile attacks against Israel since the onset of the Hamas-Israel conflict on October 7. They have pledged to continue such attacks with the aim of supporting the Palestinians in their quest for victory. During a public briefing led by IDF spokesperson Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari, he addressed the Houthi attack by stating, "Earlier today, in southern Israel's Eilat, our IDF systems identified an airborne object approaching Israeli airspace and activated security alerts. I want to reassure that there is no imminent threat to the region, and the situation is under control. Our robust defense measures in the southern area cover all aspects of security." In what seemed to be a recent overnight incident, the IDF reported intercepting an aerial threat over the Red Sea. Israeli National Security Advisor Zaki Hanegbi, addressing the matter on Tuesday, expressed strong discontent with the Houthi attacks, yet refrained from providing details when questioned about Israel's potential response. The Houthi group is a component of the regional alliance aligned with Iran, sharing hostility towards both Israel and the United States. This alliance includes Lebanon's Hezbollah and Iranian-backed militias in Iraq. The Houthi Authority extends over extensive areas of Yemen, encompassing the capital city Sana'a, situated over 1,000 miles away from Israel. Up to this point, missiles and drones launched at Israel from the Red Sea region since October 7 have been successfully intercepted or have failed to reach their targets. On October 27, Israel attributed a drone attack in which explosions occurred in 2 Egyptian towns along the Red Sea to the Houthi group, indicating that these attacks had originally aimed at Israel.